So this video, we are going to talk about workspaces, okay? So in this workspace, it's kind of like the control panel. You can see, you can have an overview of all the workspace and your own custom domain, okay? It means it include free plan, paid plan, and also you will able to see what's the plans they are on, what's the billing cycles, what's the bot limits, what's the add-on they have, and basically you can control their workspace. Okay, you can downgrade them to the free plan, or you can upgrade them to the paid plans you have, and also you can deactivate their workspace. Okay, so basically a lot of settings, a lot of things is happening at this workspace tab. Okay, so now let me show you each one of these settings, what it looks like, and how you can control everything right in this workspace. Okay, so let me switch to my desktop, and here you can see the first of all is you can create the workspace. Okay, for example, sometimes you want to close your public sign up pages. You want to create the workspace manually for your clients. Okay, that's how you can do it. So for example, I can create a workspace like this. Okay, and next, and you can have a name, username, the password. You can turn on or off require email verification. Okay, so I will do this test, password test. I think this will require extra, extra password. They have some minimal requirement or something like that. Okay, so what will happen is it will actually create the workspace using this email address, using the information you provide. For the email verification, if you turn it on, that means the user needed to, we will send a welcome email to this email address. The user needed to click. There is a verify link in the email, and then that workspace will be active. Okay, if you turn it off, that means they can use right away. You didn't require them to click any links in their emails. Okay, so for me, I will copy this password and remember these emails. I will click this create. Okay, now if I go to my own custom domain, I log out, and I think this is the email. This is the password. I can click login. As you can see, this workspace already create for your user. Okay, they log right in. Doesn't require to click any verification links in their emails. Okay, and automatically they start the free trials, and that's how you can create the workspace just like that. Okay, now let's get back to this, and here you can search. You can search the free workspace and your custom domain, and also you can check the paid workspace and your custom domain. Okay, and also you can search the workspace by name, by ID, by the owner email, by the owner ID. Okay, all this information you can ask from your clients. Okay, and if you want to offer some support, that's how you can identify the workspace information. You can also search by the name. That will search by this column, workspace name. Okay, so, and over here you can see this is all the magic is happening. Okay, first of all, you can activate or deactivate, pause that workspace. Once this workspace is paused, that means they can still log in their workspace, but everything will be read only. Okay, they cannot make any changes. The bot is also paused. They just can see the information, but they cannot make any changes. Okay, that's how you can control For example, if there is a paid payment, you can pause that workspace before you downgrade that workspace to a free plan or delete that workspace. Okay, and here you will able to see if this is a paid plan. You will able to see what the plans your customer is on. Okay, and also what is the billing cycle. And here you will see the limits of that plan. Okay, how many bot users, bots, and members they have on that particular plan. And here in red, that is the add-ons the customer is purchasing from you. Okay, and here you can see the owner's information, name and emails. And here you can see the audit logs. Okay, basically we keep track of every change you have made. And so that, you know, every add-ons, every login, every purchase, and everything, we are keeping track of this audit log. Okay. And here there's a points. So basically, if you go to your partner settings, if you enable this credit billing for the add-ons, you will be able to see the points your clients have. Okay, so basically your clients, they need to purchase from you extra points, and they use those points to purchase the add-ons. For example, extra bot users, extra members, or extra bots. Okay, we have full tutorials about that in the Stripe billings. Okay, if you go through these videos, you will be able to learn how to set those things up. Okay. And over here, and also for these points, your customers can purchase themselves, and also you can manually add those points from the backend. Okay, for example, I want to add 60 points to these clients. I can simply add those, and then they will have 113 points. Your clients, they can use those points to purchase add-ons. Okay, and a few other things. And this is the points. Okay, and this is the auto renew. So for the auto renew is all the paid plans, they will have this auto renew. Okay, and if you keep this auto renew on, that means at the end of the billing cycle, we will auto subscribe the user to the same plan. We will deduce the cost credit from your partner credit. Okay, if you turn it off, that means we will not renew, we will not deduce this credit cost from your partner credit. Okay, and after 3 days, the paid plan will drop to the free plan. Okay, so that is this what this auto renew do. Now, at the end of that, for the free workspace, you will have an upgrade button. So in this upgrade button, it will show all the plans you have. Okay, you can change this your clients to this plan, and we will only deduce the cost price showing at the top of this card from your partner credit. Okay, for example, I have 4,000 credit over here. Okay, and then I can manually upgrade this clients, this workspace, to this business plan, and it will only deduce $10 per month from your credit, and you are selling at $49 per month, for example. Okay, you click change plans, confirm, and you can see the new workspace we just created is already on the business plan. The billing cycle is from December 8th to January 8th. Okay, and the auto renew is on. By default, we turn on the auto renew. Okay, if you go to your credit, you will able to see there's a new. Let me refresh over here. Let me refresh. It should show me. Okay, if I reload the page, you can see we already deduced the cost price for that plan from your partner credit. Okay, and for this workspace, if they are already on your paid plan, any paid plans, you will be able to have this option. Okay, you will be able to add add-ons manually for them. Okay, even we have the partner API, which you can automate the whole process. But if you want to do it manually, here is how you do it manually. Okay, you can add extra one bot. The cost is $5 per month. Extra one member. The cost is $5 per month. For bot users, every 1,000 bot users, the cost is $5 per month. Every 10,000 bot users, the cost is $30 per month. Okay, because I have turned on the points, the credit billing for the add-ons, you can see, how much it will cost for all these add-ons in points. Okay, so for example, I can add one extra bot. If I click this add-on, confirm. Okay, I didn't have enough points for this workspace. First, let me add some points and test. Okay, and then I can change the plans and I can add extra one bot. Click confirm. You can see in red that one extra bot is added and we deduced 10 points from your customers' how do I say, credits. Okay, your customer's credit, not your credits. In your credit, we deduce five $5 five credits from your partner credit. Okay, you can see we deduce $5 credit. So that is how you can, upgrade that workspace, and also how you can add add-ons. Okay, and also if they are on the free plan, you can delete this workspace if you want. Okay, you just make sure it is on the free plan. On the paid plan, you cannot delete. Okay, you first need to downgrade them to the free plan, and then the delete button will show up, and then you can delete this workspace. Okay, for example, you can delete this one, and it will ask you to type this delete, and then click this delete. That workspace will be deleted. Okay, that's how you can activate, pause the workspace, how to manually add the workspace, and how to check, upgrade or downgrade the workspace. Okay, and let me see if I miss anything over here in this workspace tab. No, I think I covered most all of it, and that's it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.